All right, so this is question number 20, and we are doing pretty much the same thing. So we are solving the inequality, and then we want to try to put it in a set in an interval notation, if possible, right? Now, again, so whatever the inequality you have there, so if you see absolute value, you want to isolate the absolute value, all right? So if I do that, this is going to end up by moving the plus 16 to this side. So that will give me 7 minus 6x greater than 9 minus 16. All right. And that's going to be minus 7. Okay. So now what should I do? Maybe you want to use the same formula as we have on the previous previous question, or question number 19, what the formula says, right? So let's see. We have the absolute value of x greater than a. This implies x greater than a or x less than minus a. However, we are missing an important condition here. What is it? The a must be always greater or equal than 0. So the formula is coming with a condition, all right? So we cannot apply this formula if the a is not satisfying that condition. And effectively, this a here actually is minus 7. So the formula is useless for us. So how we use this whenever the a is negative? We use the logic, right? So the logic saying that the absolute value is always a positive entity and minus 7 is a negative entity. So is it possible that a positive entity greater than negative entity, and when this is happening, right? If it is true or false. So we go back to true and false statement. And as we agreed on, so true statement, if it is true statement here, so what's going to be the solution? Are real numbers. However, if it is false statement, what's going to be the solution again? It's going to be no solution. All right. So again here, is it a positive number greater than negative number? Oh yeah, that's no brainer, right? So this is absolutely true statement. All right. So if it is true statement, then we're gonna be the solution here will be equals to all real numbers. So how do you make a notation of all real numbers? You can write it down as capital R, or you can write it down as well minus infinity to plus infinity. So minus infinity to plus infinity, it means all the number line. All right. And that's basically it. So this is what we did here is the answer. All right.